we've had a departmental refurbishment, which has meant that we've had two new, brand new robots, which you can see in the background. Our old robots were over 20 years old, and over the last year we've had both robots replaced, and the rest of the surrounds and our dispensary refurbished as well. They both have two picking heads, so that means they could do two jobs at the same time, so multitasking. And again, helping to move stock around, to dispense products and to give stock all at the same time. So again, efficiencies of that have been great. It stores around 60,000 packs, so a huge capacity in inventory that we have access to now for our patients. The distribution hub at RGH provides all the medication, all the stock medication for not only RGH, it does it for GOH and YYF as well. So approximately 3,000 to 5,000 packs are moved and dispensed each day. It's probably quite rare for people to think about how medicines actually arrive at wards. The robotic dispensing system is really paramount for our service. So all the medicines are stored within the robot. We're able to pick our stock ward boxes a lot quicker. It means that all of the selections are done by a robotic and simulated process, which means there's less risk. And just means, again, that we get efficiencies of scale. So we're able to handle lots and lots of products that we wouldn't normally be able to unless we had lots of staff. I'm really proud of how the whole team has come together through the challenging times has been. The old robots were ripped out and taken away. The whole of the department had to be vacated and we had to revert to a manual process. So the whole of the pharmacy team at RGH had to move to the other end of the hospital, up on the 7th floor, take all of the medications and processes up there and revert to a manual process of handling all stock and charts. And try and keep that going for the last year. So now that we are back in the department, it means that all of the services and aspects that we normally cover are all knitted back together into one smooth process. It's meant that the work that has been ongoing to other sites picking up the RGH distribution work and supply of medication, they can go back to normal, they can go back to their normal roles, and then also the pharmacy team here at RGH through the dispensary and through the distribution element can also supply the stocks to the ward efficiently, really quickly. We can make use of the automation to mean that our staff can go back to being at the patient bedside, back to their counselling elements and providing patient care to the best of their ability. So we can make our medicine supply quicker, we can allow the staff to provide the roles that they normally do on a day-to-day basis, and we can go back to just being part and parcel of the RGH service. The project has taken just over a year since the start to its inception now. So it's been a really long time, but a great one come in and nice that we're back home where we belong.